Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You are ready to spotlight. Start by confirming you are host or co-host so the feature is available. Once in the meeting, scan participant thumbnails and pick the person to emphasize. Make sure to hover over their video, click the three-dot menu, and select Spotlight for everyone. This immediately pins their camera for all viewers. If you plan multiple spotlights, decide the first focal speaker now so the meeting flows without pauses or confusion. Once done with the initial spotlight, you may need to add or switch presenters. Use Add Spotlight to include additional participants if the flow requires it. Make sure to open Manage Participants for a clearer list and click Spotlight next to names to swap or remove people. Remember why you're doing this: to direct audience attention and keep visual continuity. If multiple speakers will take turns, plan the order and add or remove spotlights quickly between transitions to maintain engagement. To finish, remove the spotlight when the segment ends by clicking Remove Spotlight or toggling back to Active Speaker View. This returns control to Zoom's automatic layout. If Spotlight won't apply, check that you actually have host or co-host rights and that everyone's Zoom client is up to date. If problems persist, make sure the intended person isn't on a web client with restricted features. As a last resort, rejoin the meeting or transfer host.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.